Hi, my name is Tiffany, and I'm a student in the Department of Cognitive Sciences. So when I was first looking at different schools to interview, what particularly stood out about UC Irvine and the Department of Cognitive Sciences was how supportive they seemed of the students. One thing that they said was that they had a really high retention rate, which I noticed that not other schools do. And I thought that this was a good sign that the department takes really good care of its students. And over the years, I found that to be really true. I have a number of mentors here that of different ages, different backgrounds that I can turn to if I need help or advice in research or just in life in general. So I think the environment here is extremely supportive. So I study spatial navigation, particularly how animals such as rodents like to navigate in the wild. So for instance, rats are very good at finding their way back home even in the complete darkness. So we take a look at how these animals navigate and then make models of them, computer simulations of their brain activity. And then we take this data and then we model it on robots. And so the advantage of this is that one, we have a more realistic environment for testing our models. And then the other is that we could possibly take these ideas and bring them into real world applications such as self-driving cars. So I think being a grad student in this department is really fun. My cohort likes to do a lot of social activities together, not just academic. We like to do a bunch of activities, movies, going outdoors. And also the lifestyle is really flexible. I know students who like to work from home because they live farther away, but then if you prefer a more lab environment where there are other people around, we also have that option as well. And for students who, say, are looking for a job or finding an internship, the department is really flexible with that. So the Department of Cognitive Sciences is extremely multidisciplinary. We have researchers from the engineering department. We have those more interested in the behavioral and perceptual part of cognition. And students who are interested in any of these can mix and match because there are leading researchers from all different parts of the world who are very good at their subfield. So I work in the Cognitive Anteater Robotics Laboratory, and I think it's really exciting because if you like robotics or if you like modeling the brain, there's all of that there. We have undergraduate students from mechanical engineering who are working on building these new robot platforms, and then we have graduate students who are taking these platforms and actually using them in their research. And then we have students from computer science. So if you're interested in computer science or brain science, we have all of that in our lab, and you're welcome to come visit us anytime and we'll give you a tour of the lab. So I haven't decided for sure what I want to do yet, but I'm definitely looking into a postdoc position and then maybe in the future getting a faculty position, but I'm also open to finding a research position in industry. And the good thing about this department is that they're supportive of both. If you want to go into industry, we've had seminars of different people coming in from parts of industry telling us how they applied their work. And then we also have very strong connections to other universities if we want to find a postdoc position.